Whoa, this is pretty crazy. Guys, I'm not kidding with you. Like, the audio that I'm getting, not even looking at the microphone, I can hear it on my ears right now, and it's crazy. And if I just look at it right now, if I just simply adjust it, whoa, it's like super hot. What's up, everybody? Welcome back. Thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. In this video, we have an interesting setup. I have the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the iPhone XS Max with a Rode Videomic Mini, and the Google Pixel 3 XL here with an awkward angle, kind of like a low from the bottom up. But the purpose of this video is to test and compare the audio quality of all these phones versus the FIFINE 670. Now in this video, just to be fully transparent with you, we're slicing and cutting here and there, but I'm recording this one take entirely without stopping on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the iPhone XS Max with the Rode Videomic Mini attached to it, the Pixel 3 XL down here in that awkward angle again. And if I turn around, this is the FIFINE K670. I know it's K670, but K670 sounds like futuristic. Now, full disclaimer, FIFINE reached out to me. They did not offer me any payments or anything. They shared their product with me. They sent me the microphone with the purpose of testing and comparing, because pretty much every single episode that I upload to YouTube goes as a podcast as well. And most of them I record here in my apartment with the native built-in microphones, either on the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus now, of course, the iPhone XS Max with the Rode Videomic Mini most times, or the Google Pixel 3 XL. Now, if I was going to record isolated podcasts that have nothing to do with a video or not a stripped out audio of the video, then I would definitely like to have a separate microphone so I can get much higher quality. And they reached out to me and they offered me the microphone in order for me to test it and see if I liked it, and that's what we're doing. But disclaimer, I have not accepted any payment. So if you're interested in checking out the microphone on Amazon, the links are down below. Now, to give you some background, I'm a musician, so I've always been around microphones because that's what I do in my band. We're not gonna get complex on this video. This product, it's meant to help you record your podcast, record your spoken vlogs, your spoken videos, while you're at the comfort of your home. This microphone, I feel it's also a really good solution for anybody trying to do some gaming videos or IRL on Twitch or Facebook or Instagram or YouTube, you name it. So the first thing that caught my attention is that microphone is less than 50 bucks on Amazon right now. And that was the first flag. I was like, wait a minute. But I said, hey, you know what? Let's just go with it. We've used the Rode Videomic Mini, we've used other microphones that are roughly around the same price, and most of the microphones that you would attach into the DSLR will also be way higher than $47 and change that the FIFINE K670 will set you back on Amazon. So let's get down to it, and I'm simply going to continue this conversation so we can switch between the Samsung Galaxy S8 Plus, the iPhone XS Max with the Rode Videomic Mini attached to it, the Pixel 3 XL down here awkwardly, kind of like getting a weird angle, but I'm going to use you to test the visuals, right, paired with the audio of the K670 by FIFINE. And as you can hear right now, if you're an audio listener, you probably notice that the audio is sounding a little bit thicker, a little bit bassier, a little bit fuller. And granted, I'm a little under the weather right now, so you're going to get a little extra low end at this point. But if I just simply were to turn away from the microphone, I'm currently sitting at around 6 to 7 inches away. And if I simply turn to my right just to face the iPhone, the Google Pixel 3 XL, and the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, Then we can compare the audio quality on these devices. Once again, Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, iPhone XS Max with the Rode Videomic Mini-MI, and the Pixel 3 XL down here pretty awkwardly. No, I'm not gonna lie guys, I'm a practical person. I do feel that the audio quality that you get on all these devices is fantastic. If you really think about it, think about how your audio quality was 4 or 5 years ago and compare it to your current smartphone, that's fantastic. And if you go one step and attach a different microphone to your phone, it's even better. But for the context of reviewing, vlogging at home, or doing Twitch streaming, YouTube streaming, just gaming in general, most microphones that YouTubers and Twitch streamers are using are definitely much more expensive. And honestly, if you're starting or if you just simply want to save money and get really good quality, I'm not gonna lie, this microphone has definitely surprised me big time. This microphone comes with its own little base, so you don't really have to go ahead and buy any third parties or any universal mounts or anything else like that unless you really want to do a boom or anything like that. But it does have an adjustable little pole in the back where you can remove some of these little sections here to make it shorter. It does have an adjustable tilt to it. It's regular USB, and you should be able to also plug it in on your iPhone or iPad by simply using a USB 3 to Lightning or USB-C adapter. It has its own little volume adjustment, and then of course in the back of the microphone it also has a 3.5 millimeter headphone jack adapter. Now this microphone has a 16 millimeter diaphragm, so it's going to be a pretty substantial, and that's the thing that I still don't understand, because most of these type of microphones will be a little bit more expensive to begin with by default, probably about $100 or at least $80. And definitely very, very, very impressed by the build quality. It doesn't feel cheap. It has that nice heft to it. And I really, really like it. Now, because the headphones that I currently possess are AirPods or the Samsung Buds or just pretty much the PlayStation Gold headsets, I'm going to go ahead and test this out and listen and monitor to my voice just simply using this and plugging it in the back of the K670. Whoa, this is pretty crazy. Guys, I'm not kidding with you. Like, the audio that I'm getting, not even looking at the microphone, I can hear it on my ears right now, and it's crazy. And if I just look at it right now, if I just simply adjust it, whoa, it's like super hot. Jeez, even further back, it sounds full and crisp. And these headphones are not bad at all. They're pretty good. But wow, the sound quality is definitely impressing me right now. All that microphone quality. But guys, Jesus Christ, this sounds really good. You can't really understand. It doesn't really do it justice by doing it here on the video. Even when I'm not speaking directly to it, I'm kind of like going straight into the Rode Videomic Mini-MI on the iPhone XS Max or the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus or the Google Pixel 3 XL. It doesn't do it justice. I can still hear pretty decent, bassy, rich, thick audio. But even if I were to turn to it, geez, like my voice sounds like, ooh. Like, it's very high quality. I really like it. I really like it a lot, and I'm going to continue to use this. So bravo, FIFINE. This microphone, definitely build quality, EMT approved. Sound quality, I'm going to be honest with you. Last night, I actually recorded a song with a couple friends of mine from a different band that I was doing a featuring. And we recorded using the Shure SM7B. And that's crisp. That is like high quality, really good. I wouldn't say quite affordable, but it's in the $300 to $400 price range. This is a $47 microphone, and you're getting really good dynamics here. You're getting lower end, you're getting mids, you're getting highs. So if I were to sing or modulate or kind of like adjust everything, wow. $47 and change, guys. This is crazy. All right, guys, so right now I'm gonna switch over. I'm gonna test out the monitoring with the traditional iPhone headphones that come in the packaging. These are the 3.5 millimeter version that you can still get, but these are the previous ones because the newer ones come with a lightning adapter, so I wouldn't. But even using the headphone microphones, Jesus, like the quality is insane. I am generally impressed, guys. Bravo, FIFINE, $47 and change. I cannot understand. All right, guys, I am honestly impressed. This is literally the first time we are just covering this microphone here together. I have not tested this microphone prior to this video, and I have currently right now the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus with the iPhone XS Max using a Rode Videomic Mini plugged into it. And then down here, I have the Pixel 3 XL. All of them pretty much with their native microphones built in, minus the iPhone. But I want to know what you think. Let me know in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, suggestions, drop them down there so we can continue to create relevant content for you. Let me know if you prefer the audio quality of the Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the iPhone XS Max with the Rode Videomic Mini plugged into it, Pixel 3 XL, or of course a FIFINE K670. I know it's K670, but K670, it makes it sound like sci-fi. Once again, thank you so much for taking the time to hang out. Everything that I'm using, it's down in the description. Until next time.